first you're gonna submit some applications, and then what's gonna happen is you're gonna get calls from internal recruiters. So your email inboxes are probably full of emails from recruiters. Those are external recruiters. They work for companies that help hire doctors for hospitals. That's a little bit different than the folks that are gonna call you here. These folks work for the employers. So they're calling you to say, hey, got your application, want to learn more about you and set up an interview potentially. The next thing you're going to do is typically like some kind of phone or virtual interview and then a site visit. Every doctor I've worked with wants to go see the place they're going to be, and I encourage you all to do that as well. But remember, that's going to take time and energy. Then you're going to find your top 2 options and negotiate with those. The doctors who do it best have 3, but 2 is really the minimum number you can do it with. You'll negotiate those, and then you're going to get what's called a letter of intent. Maybe some of you have seen those already, but the letter of intent is kind of an appetizer to the employment agreement. The employment agreement is that big contract that's going to govern your entire job and life, but the LOI, the letter of intent, is kind of that precursor, which will have like an employment agreement light. You must negotiate the LOI, the letter of intent, because what you see in the LOI will be in the employment